But if I rewind the tape even further, I wasn't about to teach something that wasn't working for me. When I started the whole LinkedIn journey, I wasn't even thinking about a coaching program, a group coaching program, one-on-one consulting, speaking, books, podcast. I wasn't thinking about any of that. I was solely focused on how could I use LinkedIn to get my business up and going. And because I proved the concept myself, and then other people said, "Wow, what are you doing? Can you teach me how?" I found there was a gap in the marketplace. So that also brings up, a really interesting question that you all need to ask yourselves. Is what I'm doing unique, but also needed? Because we talk about market saturation already. How many people out there are teaching course creation or how to create a group code? Like, what makes you special? Now, I will back that by saying you are what makes you special. Because yes, there's other people out there that teach what I teach and what Nancy teaches and what we teach together. But what really makes us special is ourselves, but also we've really honed in on a specific niche.